Hi everybody, Sanman and welcome to my channel. Do make sure that you are subscribed and also do like the video. I actually did the review of the latest episode of the Ultimate Girls Trip, and then during the edits and posting other videos, I deleted that video by mistake. And I was so pissed off because it was such a good video, and to actually start again, it's a nightmare, but I will do it again. Anyways, you guys, the Ultimate Girls Trip Africa is becoming a mess ever since Crystal came. When she came, actually, we thought it was going to be fun because we all know that Crystal can give you so many TV moments in 1 minute. But I felt like the other ladies can't deal with that, and they are determined to bully Crystal out of the show. One of the things that I've noticed no Angel is that she's always on this tip, Yoguti. I don't want to be triggered. I don't want to be triggered. Let me calm down. I don't want to be triggered. But she's always like she's permanently triggered. Angel is like permanently triggered by the smallest of stuff. And then the next thing she's crying about her mom. And then everybody is supposed to feel sorry for her. I don't understand that. But anyway, we will talk about it in detail when we do the review. But because of what's happening on the show, people are coming out on the internet of Beyonce talking about how Angel is a bully, and I'm not shocked. I'm not surprised at all. Okay. I'm not surprised at all that there are people that are talking about how Angel has bullied them. Okay. I don't understand how, even now, Angel still presents herself as a rich kid. Like, girl, you a grown woman. And I don't know any rich kids that are always saying, I'm a rich kid. I'm a rich kid. My parents are rich. Like, listen, okay? So I can see how that, like somebody like that can be a bully in high school or at varsity and stuff. But, anyways, you guys, let me not say a lot. Let me play this video for you because this lady is actually explaining how she was bullied by Angel Lela, and I believe every single word that she is saying here. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like it before we're going to share it with your friends, with your family, and even with strangers. Ngithanda kakhulu.
Ngaze nganovalo but-ke let's do this. So how I met uGeli, I used to go to Howard College. Ngafika 2014. Alright, so I was doing my first year, ngahlala eResi, and then the second year ngahlala naye commune, Bank Terrace in Gardens. So it was fine. It was fine. She's always been known as the rich kid, right? Mawufika nje uyazazisa ukuthi u-rich yena. Okay, which is perfectly fine. Anginankinga naleyo nto. But I think into esatwistana ngayo ukuthi afuna ukukhothanyelwa because she's rich, of which is something I don't do. Mina ngikhothamela umuntu. So wena lento ukuthi ena athi mhlawumbe athenga ama-Timberland ahambe yothenga ama-Timberland asiqala ukwabona ngaye. When she's going to MAC to buy her foundation, she wanted a crew ahambe nayo uyabo nje to show them ukuthi impilo nje for us rich kids, right? Sure, I mean, I never used to participate in those things, couldn't care less. Sure. So inkinga yaqala on her 21st birthday when she was bought the red Audi. So she lived in wahlala ngachaza kanjani room yabo yena wahlala ebalcony, so she was kind of secluded, right? And then okay lila bahlala in the other room impetu 3 uhlala noke labo 3 mase kubo yena okay lila bo 3 bayaphithizela ke that week of her birthday, bayaphithizela bayasika asazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Nase singayibuzi ke bavuka ekuseni ngomgqibelo bahamba eHowick. Emabe eHowick asibuzi lutho futhi sesibona nge-8 ebusuku ngabo 9. Angel uwenzela i-21st. That is nice. Wonke umuntu endlini umenyiwe ngaphandle kwethi soba u4, sasiba u4 sasingamenyiwe. Sixakeke, we like okay sure shuthi yabo ama vibes sharp ka ngathi nathi si sharp ke. Athengeleke baveze ukuthi uthengelwe imoto. Like, oh my god, Angel uthengelwe imoto. That is so nice, right? Sikhuluma njalo ehleli endlini. okay babuye kogeli hayi they were excited kwaze kwamnandi we just like still acting like we didn't see the status how yini kwenzakaleni yabo nje kuyo on Monday she came back on Monday. She comes back and she writes a group nasendlini ukuze ngicela niphumele eminyango. That day I was going to write my exam, right? Kwakunopotsho ke abaziyo kwakunopotsho siphuma lapha endlini singene epotshweni siyongenele Howard. So mina ngihlangane naye ngiphuma uyabo yena uyanyuka ngomgwaqo nemoto uyapipiza the whole way from Stop Street uyapipiza uyanyuka ngomgwaqo. Nakhona ngiwave nje and then ngingene ngihambe ngiyobhala. We had a tourism trip coming up. I'll never forget this thing because it happened on my birthday. I had a tourism trip coming up. Sahamba ngabuya ngesonto. Mangibuya ngesonto I'm on a phone call with my mom. Ngisho ngihambe kahle bekunjena yabo. Avula isicapha. Mayivula isicapha athi I'm summoning you to my room. I'm like, hey bo. Summoning yini yona leyo ngasesho mina yini yona leyo because I remember correctly I had to Google what she's saying. I continue speaking to my mom. I'm like, yes, ngikhulume noma eze futhi asakaze ke this time isicapha awuzwanga ngani ukuthi ngiyakubiza hayibo ngisho ukuthi hayibo nali ibhadi lami asho mazi ubalo ngisi mina ema asi ngidile nalento ngiyobuyela kuwena mangifika uhleli nalezi impasa zakhe ezu3 mase kuba uyena ke sinenkinga la sis ngikhathele ngibuye etripini ye weekend 2 ungiphazamise ngikhuluma nomzali wami so angifuni kuba la angikwazi nanokuthi ningibizeleni so uthi ena sinenkinga la wena ufuna indoda kafundi I'm like ufundi was one of the girls wayelala naye I'm like ngihlangana naphi mina nendoda kafundi indoda kafundi ngahlangana naye kulayini first year I'm doing my second year by the way ngahlangana naye first year layinini I've been friends with him for the longest time lokusahlangana elayinini ngaba ngijolanga naye first year manje sengizomfuna ngoba nakho usejola now I'm like I was just like bored ufunda kakhuluma yena spokesperson say I'm coming to me manje wena unomona I'm like nginomona ngani azange ngibonge lekhathi abazali bami ngithengele imoto ngathi mina hawu ngangingekho nanokuba khona you did not invite me uyabo invite vele ngoba nomona I'm like okay I just decided to keep quiet after that and she went on imina ngathi abazali bakho bengasebenzi imina ngathi abazali bakho bengasebenzi hard enough to buy you a car imina ngathi ibaphuwa imina ngathi ibaphuwa I'm thinking to myself I did not know I'm poor but sure okay let me listen imina ngathi ibaphuwa sis ngihlanganaphi mina ngihlanganaphi unomona nje unomona ukuthi my parents work hard enough to buy me a car and futhi ngiyakutshela ke you will never amount to anything wena you will never amount yabo mina as rich kids I'm like oh lo muntu uqala weyisumanje manje weyisimvelaphi yami yonke akangazi kodwa njengamanje mina ngumuntu unomona nje wena futhi ufuna indoda yami kushuthi ngibafuna wonke amadoda abo kushuthi ba ama celebrity akhulumeke asithi I'll never amount to anything. I think even now that's the trauma I still have ukuthi that girl insulted my parents. I mean I lost my dad when I was 5 uma principal. At which point in time do I look poor? Do you know how hard my mom works to as lentuzane siba u4 ekhaya so ngangididekile nje ukuthi uyabo enze lento yakhe kade yenza kuCrystal angidushe lokho engidusha kanjena yabo and I'm just like still stuck on the fact ukuthi yazangeyisa intombazane ngingayenze lutho uyabo angidusha enza yonke lento ayenzayo and then I stand up and I'm just like first usuqedile ukwenza lento ayenzayo so I can leave hayi ke wangambona Tompo 10 endlini no kunqobile ndlela mina ngwaseHowick mina ngizokutshengisa mina ukuthi ngwaseHowick ngengeyiswe intombazane mina ama-theatrics ama-theatrics because I just asked you ukuthi are you done right hayi ngibambeni ngikhuluma nabangani bakhe-ke labo 3 abangasakhulumi sebe-mute badefu-ke manje abasakhulumi yena spokesperson. And one thing I realized about that girl, even mase ngimbona manje, u-Angel akakwazi ukulwa without a crowd, akakwazi. Mthole yedwa she's a fucking coward. Akakwazi ukulwa yedwa, ulwa ne-crowd, udonsa abantu umaseba yi-superstar-ke nimbuke. Of which is the same thing that she did, because tell me why those 3 girls were just mute and she was the one doing the talking. Sure, mbambeni nakho ngizoshaya isifebe, hayibo ngiyambuka phela uyarola la uzinsitompo ngaphuma ngayihambela. Ngiqhubeke-ke the following day-ke it's now kind of swag endlini because clearly there are sides manje. Ngihambele ngiyele esikoleni, mangifika esikoleni phela wayehlala negenge le yase White Calf, uphezulu angithi yena uhlala lapha eWhite Calf. Mangidlula she would make snacks comments bengihleke nabangani bakhe, you know, it was shame, yeah. ngagowa kakhulu because of that girl nabangani bakhe. I just felt like an outcast, to be honest. Like at some point she made me feel like an outcast. Even nasendlini, like I would sit on my own ekamereni ngisizwe ukuthi khona amanye la mantombazana awu4 ngihambe ngiyohlala nawo, but mangahleli nawo ngangihlala ngedwa. Nje angisoze ngamxolela for what she said about my mom or my parents. And even manje mangithola umsebenzi, I just try and work hard enough, because I always have that her lingering voice ukuthi you will never amount to anything just because angimbongelanga ngemoto, of which kwamele simkhothamele sonke la emhlabeni. So seeing her with TV really triggers me, and I hope mhlawumbe uyokhula one day, kodwa manje nje